Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about Nodepay's delayed listing and tokenomics. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and to join our Telegram channels. Let's get into the details. When you look at the project, what did we normally know? We were expecting the listing and airdrop to take place on January 14th. With its announcement, the project stated that the process would be delayed by an additional 3 days due to the addition of the OKX listing. The reason for this is probably that OKX wants to prepare properly for the listing, because when you look at it directly, it is after the news about OKX, it will be listed on another exchange. After mentioning that it will be listed on OKX, we received information that it will be listed on the 17th along with the announcement. When you look at it, a 3-day delay might seem like a bad thing, but being listed on an exchange like OKX and having a 3-day delay is actually acceptable. If it gets added to other exchanges like Bybit or Binance, it would be even better. We can actually say it's acceptable. If it gets added to other exchanges like Bybit or Binance, it would be absolutely amazing. If there are no issues with the Instagram event timing, we'll be live on YouTube. We will all be following this process together. When you look at it, the project had already explained its own tokenomics and its control address. A few days ago, when we enter the document page for tokenomics, we see the control address right at the top again. Why is this being shared? Why is this important? Because right now there are a lot of projects using names similar to Nodepay and so on. The scam project might come out. From here, we can easily understand whether the project is legitimate or just a scam by looking at the control address. You can't clip from anywhere before the 17th. You can't buy Nodepay's own token from anywhere. Please pay attention to this. When you look at this document page, it actually talks about the project in general. That's why there are so many topics on this subject. I don't think we need to go over these parts again and again. There are just some details here about tokenomics and airdrop. Let's talk about these. When you look at it, the project's token supply will be 1 billion. And 42% of this will be given to us as airdrop. The initial circulating supply will be 208 million. When you scroll down from here, you can check the community section. For the first airdrop, 115 million has been allocated to us. So when you look at it, we can say that almost 50% of the circulating supply will be with us. It's going to be distributed to the community. The rest will probably go to the team. Investors, it will be allocated to them. Airdrop. In fact, when we get to the first part here, we can understand it better. What can we understand better? Why is there less in the second season? We can understand from here that we received the airdrop. The project started in May. We already joined the project in May. Thank God. Since the day the project started, a total of millions of airdrops have been distributed each month, while in the last season, which is season 2. So in December, 5 million were distributed. So when we look at it, the answer to why we received less airdrop in season 2 is exactly this. They distributed more in season 0 and season 1. While they distributed 15 million each month in season 0 and 1, they only distributed 5 million season 2. That's why a bit of a balance has been created. When you look at it, they will distribute 42% of the supply, which is 420 million tokens, as airdrop. In the first part, 115 million will be distributed. There will be 265 million airdrop shares left to distribute. They will distribute this in future airdrops. As you know, season 3 is currently ongoing. Then there will be season 4, season 5, etc. When they come, we will see the remaining supply as airdrop. When they come with these, we will see the remaining supply as airdrop. Staking will most likely be activated with the listing. Just like in every classic project, you will be able to earn more tokens by staking your existing tokens instead of selling them. You might even receive airdrops from partner projects. We will all see this together. Just like in Grass, there will be a 7-day staking event at a minimum level. The maximum is already open altogether. I think we will see it. Overall, when you look at it, this is what we can generally say about the project, and we will be keeping track of the process. It's about the listing. It's already going to take place on the 17th. Well, hopefully we will be live on YouTube as well, and I can say that I will be expecting all of you in that live stream. Let me say it one last time as you look at it now, and let's wrap up the video. You can't get Notcoin's own coin from anywhere. You can't make any trades or click transactions at the moment. Please, be careful and stay relaxed. Let's say don't get caught up in scam tokens and such. And if you have any questions at the end of the video, you can reach me in the comments or via our Telegram chat channel. I wish you all